The one with all the meetings. Location, Exeter and London. What's the story? Van Helsing pays a visit to the newlyweds Jonathan and Mina Harker. After reading their diaries, the professor calls an emergency meeting at Dr. Stewart's. Mina gets everyone up to speed with her typed notes before Van Helsing gives a rousing lecture on vampires. Raring to go, they all swear to hunt down Count Dracula. Quincy is distracted by a big bat on the windowsill. Ever the cowboy, he goes out to shoot it, but misses. Renfield warns Mina not to leave the asylum and implores Dr. Stewart to set him free or face the consequences. Why don't you look for Bram Stoker's bust in St Anne's Church in Dublin, where he and Florence were married? Stroll through Trinity College Dublin, where Stoker was a student. Discuss how to kill a vampire over breakfast. He said, she said, "Doctor, you don't know what it is to doubt everything, even yourself. No, you don't. You couldn't with eyebrows like yours." Titbite. At the end of the 19th century, the new woman was born, demanding equal education, financial independence, and more comfortable clothes. Mina represents the new woman with her analytical mind and her passion for the latest technology. There are such beings as vampires. Some of us have evidence that they exist.